In the previous video, you have learned to find out HCF by prime factor method. Again, we are going to find out HCF. We are going to learn to find HCF by the second method. So, look at the second method of finding HCF. I have taken an example 64 and 48. Here what you have to do is, it's just like the first method only, like the vertical method, but here we have to take the numbers together, like 64 and 48. Together you have to take the vertical method. By vertical method you have to factorize. Now, these two numbers are divisible by 2. They are even numbers, they are divisible by 2. So both the numbers are divisible by which number? You have to take those only as the factors. So 2 is the factor here for both. They are both are divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Comma 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are is 8. Both are divisible. Now again put the line. Again 32 and 24 are even numbers. These two numbers are again divisible by 2. 2 ones carry 1, 2 6 is 12, 2 16 is 32, 2 12 is 24. Again this 16 and 12 is divisible by 2. 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12. Again they are even numbers. So again these two are divisible by 2. 2 4s is 8. 2 3s is 6. Now 4 and 3 is not divisible by any common number. So we have to stop here the division. So HCF of these two numbers, therefore HCF of 64 and 48 is equal to product of all these factors. Is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply this. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So HCF of these two numbers is 16. Now we have taken this as example 1. Now example 2. Suppose I take 160, 340 and 120. These are three numbers. By this method, draw the line, write 160, 340, 120. This all three numbers. Here it is not necessary that we have to take prime factors only. Now see at the last 0, 0, 0 in the units place of all these three numbers we have got 0, 0, 0. So we can shorten the division by dividing it directly by 10. If we divide 160 by 10, it is only 60. If we divide 340 by 10, it is 34. If we divide 120 by 10, it is 12 only. So we got 16, 34 and 12. Now, all these three numbers are even numbers. So we can divide all three numbers together by 2. So 2 8 is 16. 2 ones are carry 1, 2 7 are 14, that is 2 70 is 34, 2 6 is 12. Now you see this numbers 8, 17 and 6. 17 is a prime number. So we got one of the number as prime number, that means we cannot divide all the three numbers here together. We have to take such a divisor or such factor that all the three numbers, or if you are finding HCF for two numbers, both the numbers must be divided by the number you take. So now 8, 17 and 6. Together it is not divisible. Therefore stop the division. And therefore what factors you have got as divisors? So product of this will be the HCF. Therefore HCF of 160, 340 and 120 is equal to as 10 into 2, and that is equal to 20. Another example. Suppose 144, 240 and suppose 428 is given. These are the three numbers. Now 144, 240, 428. Write them. You can see all these three numbers are even numbers, so divided by 2. 2 sevens is 14, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 0. Then 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2 fours are 8. Now all these three numbers again we have got, they are even numbers. So again we can divide this all three numbers by 2. 2 threes are 6, carry 1, 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12, 0. 6 threes are 2 ones are 2. Now 1 is not divisible, put a 0 here. 2 sevens are 14. Now all these three numbers is not divisible by any common number. It's not divisible. 36 and 60 is divisible by 2 or 3 also, but this is not divisible by any other number. So therefore, common to all these three, we do not have any common divisor. So therefore, we'll stop the division here. Therefore, HCF of 144, 240 and 428 is equal to these two into 2, and that is equal to 4. So this is the second method of finding out HCF. Now we learn to find out HCF by the third method known as division method for finding HCF. This method is little different from the first two methods. Now this method is very suitable for finding HCF for some big numbers. 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, any digit numbers. It would be very suitable method to find out the HCF. So now see, I have taken 3 digit numbers here. 342 and 648. The first two method is very convenient to find out HCF for smaller numbers. Now these are big numbers. So HCF, you have to find out the HCF for this by division method. What you have to do is simple division. That is, take the smaller number among these two. 342 is a smaller number. 648 is bigger number. So take 648 as the dividend and 342 as the divisor. You have to do simple division. Now 342 table. 342. 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. So if I multiply, if I take 2s, it is 684. But here it is 648. So that means this number is greater than this. So I cannot take 2s. So I have to divide it by only 1s. That is 342 1s is 340. 2 minus 6 is the remainder. Here 4 0 and this is 3. Now the very simple thing what you have to do is that this remainder will become the divisor and the previous divisor is the dividend now. 340. Now you have to divide 342 by 306. So if I take 2s, it would be more. 306 2s are, see. 2 6 are 12, carry 1. Here 1, 2 3 are 6. Is 6 and 12. So again I have to take 1s. 306 1s is 306 only. So do subtraction. 2 minus 6 not possible. Borrow 1 here. It is 3 here. 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 is the remainder. Okay, this is 0. You don't write off now. Now take again this 36 as the divisor. If you don't write it is understood. You are not very kids. So this 36 would be the divisor and the previous divisor is the dividend now. So 306 divided by 36. Now 36. Suppose 7 I take 7 6 are 42 carry 4. 7 to the 21. Let it be 5. So 8 you take 36 into 8 6 8 48 carry 4. 8 3 8 24 28. 36 into 9 is 6 9 54 carry 5. 9 3 27. 28 and 30 31 32. It will be more. So we have to take this 8. 8 is 288. Now subtract it. 6 minus 8 not possible. So borrow from here. It is 0. So you have to borrow from this 1. It would be 10 here. This is 2 here remaining. From this 10 you borrow 1 here. Here 9 would be remaining. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now 9 minus 8 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Understood. So again this would be the divisor and the previous divisor would be the dividend. Here this 36. 18 2s is 36. Minus I have got 0. So you keep on dividing in this way until you get remainder as 0. When you get at last remainder as 0, now this previous divisor, this one, the last divisor will be the HCF of. Therefore, HCF of 340, 342 and 648 is this 80. By prime factor method also, or by the second method if you try verification, we will see 342 and 648 by the second method. These both are divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 carry 1, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 4s, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again, I think so this is by 3. 3 5s are 15, 6 is 17, carry 2, 3 7s are 21. 3 1 are 3, 2 is not divisible, 0, 3 8s are 24. Again this is divisible by 3. 3 1 are 3, 4 5 carry 2, 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9, 10 carry 1, 3 6 are 18. Now 19 is a prime number. So we cannot do division mode. So therefore here HCF is equal to S. HCF of 342 and 648 is equal to as this 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3 is 6, 6 is 80. So 80. So we have got it in this way by division method. Now second example, I have taken more bigger number. So we will do it by division method. Now among these two, 5,482. If the place is changed, suppose 5,482 is written here and 8,400 suppose 70. The place does not make any difference. You have to choose only the bigger number as the dividend inside and take the smaller number out. 5,482. Now 5,482 twos will give you more than 10,000. Huh? Then so let us take, it is 8,000 only, so it will go ones only. Ones is 5,482 minus. The remainder is 0 minus 2 is not possible. Borrow 1 here. Here it is 6. So it is 8. 6 minus 8 not possible. So borrow 1 here. Here 16. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Now this is, yeah, I have borrowed. So it is 3 here. 3 minus 4 not possible. Borrow 1 here. So it would be 13 and this would be 7. 13 minus 4 is 9 here. And 7 minus 5 is 2 here. So this is the remainder. Now this remainder will become the divisor and the previous divisor is the dividend. 5,480. Now this is 2,988. So multiply, take this 2,988 by 2 the sums. 2 8 the 16, carry 1, 2 8 16, 1 17, carry 1, 2 9 the 18 plus 1 19, carry 1, 2 to the 4 1 5. It is 5,900, but it is 5,400. So that means I cannot take this. So again ones are. It would be 2,988. So subtract this. 2 minus 8 not possible. Borrow 1 here. It is 7 here. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 7 minus 8 not possible. So borrow 1. It is 17. This is 3 here. 17 minus 8 is 9. Then 3 minus 9 not possible. Borrow 1 here. 13. So this is 4 here. 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 is the remainder here. And this is 4 minus 2 is. Now again this is the divisor and the previous divisor is the dividend. 2,988. 2,988. Now 2,988, this is 2,494. Very near. So again one side will go. 2,494. Subtract. 8 minus 4 is 4. 8 minus 9 not possible. Borrow 1 here. 18. This would be here. 8. 18 minus 9 is 9. 8 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus 2 0. No need to write. Now again this is the divisor and the previous divisor is the dividend. 2,490. Now this is 4-digit number, this is 3-digit number. So I need to multiply 494 by, suppose 6 if I take. 6 4 the 24, carry 2. 6 9 the 54, 56, carry 5. 6 4 the 24, 25, 26, 28, 29. It is more. So let us try to take by 5 is a suppose. 5 4 the 20, carry 2. 5 9 the 45, 46, 47, carry 4. 5 4 the 20, 24. 2,470, very near. 5 is a 2,470. Subtract it, I will get 4 as the remainder. Here 7, 8, 9, 24 as the remainder. Now the divisor is become, see 3-digit here, I got 2 digits. That means I am coming to an end of the division, very near. Now the previous divisor is 490 This is a 3-digit number. This is 2-digit number. So here you see, directly see first 2 digits. 49 is divisible by 24. 24 twos is how much? Opposite to the 48. That means twos is 48 minus 1 is the remainder. Therefore, that means it is not divisible. So, if we take 20s, I can write here 20s. So, directly, or we just put a 0 here, it is not divisible. So, or 20s are also, if I write, can write here 20s is 480, so 14 is the remainder. Now, this 14 becomes the divisor and the previous divisor is the dividend. 24. 14 to the is 28, that means 14 ones are only I have to take as 14. Minus remainder is 4 minus 4 0 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So this 10 is again the divisor here. Previous 40. 10 ones is 10. Again 4 is the remainder. This is again divisor. Now previous 10. 4 2 is 8 here. Minus remainder is 2 here. So 2 is the remainder. I will continue here because there is no space. So 2 is the divisor. So this becomes again the divisor. Remainder 2 is the divisor. The previous divisor 4 I have to take inside. So 2 2 is 4 minus 0. The last divisor is 2. Therefore HCF of 8,470 and 5,482 is 2. So HCF of these two numbers is 2, the last divisor. So in now third example, to find out HCF by division method. Until now, in the first example and second example, we have learned division method with 2 numbers. Now I have taken 3 numbers. How to find out HCF by division method for the 3 numbers in this. In this case, you have to take first 2 numbers. 777 and 350 you do. These 2 numbers you take and do division as like we have learned for the first and second question. So again here smaller number is 350, take this as the divisor. 777 is a bigger number, take this as the dividend. So now 315 multiply by, suppose 2s are 2 5 are 10, carry 1 2 are the 2 plus 1 3 and 2 3 are 6. So 315, one more number we will try. 3s are 3 5 are 15, carry 1 3 1 are 3 plus 1 4, 3 3 are 9. This will be more. This is more. So we have to take 2s as 630. Subtract it. 7 is the remainder here. 7 minus 3 is 4 and this is 1. So this becomes the divisor. Now previous 315 is the dividend here. So this is 147. So let us take this 147 and multiply it with the, suppose 3 and see. 3 7 the 21, carry 2, 3 4 the 12, 13 14, 4 carry 1, 3 plus 1 4. No. So 147 multiplied by 2 the you try. 2 7 the 14, carry 1. 2 4 the 8 plus 1 9. 2 1 the 2. So this is suitable. 2 the 294. Now subtract this. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 9 not possible. Borrow 1 and here 2. 2 is the remainder. Now this is 0. No, not necessary to put the 0. So 21 as the divisor. Take the previous number 147 as the division. Now 21 sir. So 21 multiply by, suppose 7 I take. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. Directly I have got this 21 7 is 147. Minus 0 0 0. Therefore here the last divisor. Therefore now we found out HCF for only these two. HCF of 777 and 315 is 21. Now we have to find out HCF of third number is left here. So take this HCF 21 and the third number 588. Follow the same method, find out HCF for these two numbers. So naturally here 21 is smaller. So this will become the divisor and 588 is the dividend. Now 21 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 2s are it will go by 2s are only these two digits. 42 minus 8 minus 2 is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down this 8. Simple division here. So 21 8s are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 21 8s are is 160. I have done simple division with the very simple division with one step only. We got the remainder as 0. But it's if the numbers are a little bit complicated or we would get it like this way, long division also. Yes. Now, so we have got here remainder as 0. The last divisor is 21. Therefore, HCF of all the three numbers, that is 777, 315 and 588 is 21. 21 is the HCF. So this method is very convenient for big numbers.